are going to love the 2018 Nissan Titan XD. The powerful Nissan Titan XD provides a heavy-duty capable vehicle with a very pleasant driving experience. Innovation within the Titan XD stands out and rounds out this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, MP3 player, power windows, power door locks, CD player. This vehicle is CARFAX certified one owner and qualifies for CARFAX buyback guarantee. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.